Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the heart shark effect in CapCut PC. Go to media, import your videos or photos or images you like to edit, and I prefer images. Just add to track. So previously I set that the image duration in 2.0 seconds, and you can go to um, transition and add the transition you like. For example, I'm going to add the train transition, add to clip, apply to all the clip. But this is a pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. Go to effect and select video effect and select nightclub. So if you want to make the heart shark, you can add the shark effect and then add another effect. Wait, sorry. Uh, I will not add the another effect, so just this one, and add and change for the stance right here. So here we go. This is the final result you have on your video. That's how you can create the heart shake effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.